Hello, this is SoundKraft, a gamified sensory adaptive screening system for geriatric cognitive impairment care. At the start of each administration of SoundKraft, each user inputs their name and age, followed by their language and mode that features how their test will be administered, accounting for sensory impairments and language preferences. After that, they'll fill out a personal form that contains information about their lives that can be used later to test their long term memory skills. In the next game, the spot the difference game, two images are shown with a pause in between, with some element changing. For example, in the first image, you can see the butterfly on top of the flowers, and the second image, the butterfly isn't present. Hence, the answer would be the butterfly. In the next game, block morph game, there's two arrows shown, and the one on the right can be moved using the arrow keys or the buttons to make the arrow point in the same direction as the reference arrow. The next game is the Echo Match game, in which a series of shapes will be shown, and users have to recollect what shapes were shown in which order and choose the option that features this order. The next game is the Picture Memory game. In this game, a series of images are shown in a specific order, and the users have to memorize this order on the pictures and select the images shown in the same order. The next game that will be shown is the analogy game, in which users have to complete an incomplete analogy using 4 images that are provided as options. Following that is the quick audio key,
Sa,
which users have to
gan,
listen
dha,
to a series of notes and click on the corresponding option, which shows those
dha,
notes in the correct
ni,
order.
gan, re,
The next game is the picture memory game, in which multiple symbols will keep flashing by, and when the dollar sign appears, the users have to hit enter. The next game is the cause and effect game, in which a certain effect is given, and users have to select what could have possibly caused that event to be triggered. The next game is number sort, in which different notes will be shown, and the users will have to arrange them in ascending order in their value. The last game is the memory recall, which takes the answers from the earlier questionnaire, asking personal questions that can test long-term memory. And at the end of the assessment, SoundKraft outputs a radar plot that shows the performance in all the different domains.